everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get false nails without acrylics, and it's going to be super easy. First thing you will need is nail tips. Now I have a few options for what kind of nail tips you can get and where you can get them from. So first I have these, which are from wish.com or the app, and these are clear cotton. As you can see, like, I've used these all up, but I just want to show you guys anyway. So these already come, I feel like, perfect size, and they already come in this shape, so really there's very minimal filing that you would have to do, maybe just this and that's it. I have these from Sally's. The label came off, but they're just like they're called acrylic tips that you would need if you get this open. So these are a little bit different. These are meant to only stay up until this part, and because they're meant for acrylic, but I put them like this all the way down and I glue them and I file and shape them. These take a lot longer to file and shape, but they are very sturdy. And then these are white tips. These are the same as the clear ones I showed you, but they are white. I have these, which these are the ones that we will be using today. So these are off of Amazon, and they come in little bags like this, all individually sized for you to find your size easier. The second thing you will need is a nail filer. This one is from Sally's. This was about like 90 cents, and it's literally the best nail filer I've ever had, especially if you like to file fake nails. And then you need some nail glue. I got this also from Wish. It was like a pack of 5 for like $1 or $2. This is what it's called BYB Bond Nail Glue, and I will link everything down below. And you can just use the Kiss one. It's also really good. I've used that before, but I had like a pack of 5 of these, so I still have them until now. So obviously you can see my nails, they are crusty and not cute. So first thing you want to do is cut or file them. I recommend, if you cut them, that you either soak your nails or you cut them right after taking a shower. So I have this scissor, and I'm just going to be cutting and filing my nails. Okay, a tip that I have when filing your natural nails is always just stick to filing one side. If you go like this could damage your nails, and it could make them weaker when it's time for them to grow out. Okay, so I filed my nails and they look good enough to me. So now all you want to do is buff gently, either if you have a nail buffer or use the nail filer, and just gently buff the nail. This is just to take away the shine, oil, and this will help the glue and the fake nail adhere better to your natural nail. Now your nail should look something a little like this. Next thing you want to do is just take nail polish remover or acetone with a cotton pad. Okay, so just take your cotton pad and wipe away all that. And this, not only will this just like get rid of the dust and stuff, but if you have any oils or anything like that on your fingernails, it'll get them off. I forgot to mention that you can, if it's necessary, you push down your cuticles. I never actually do this, but like sometimes I actually just take the fake nail and use that to push it down. It looks really dry right now because that was 100% pure acetone. Like I said, it just sucked up all the oils right out. I am not a pro, disclaimer. All right, so I have my tips all laid out here. Hope you could see them because they are clear. So the top is the right and the bottom is the left, and I know what you're thinking, you're like, wouldn't it just be the same? They're all the same except for the middle finger. I don't know if you guys could tell, but my right hand, the middle finger, the nail bed is much wider than the middle finger on my left hand. Yeah, so that could happen. So just make sure that you're testing out the sizes for both nails before you start gluing everything. If you get this packet of nails, each of the nails are in their own separate little Ziploc bags, and each of them has a number. This number is the size, so the higher the size, the smaller the nail will be. Now the fun part. So what I like to do is I like to place a dot of glue, just like so, on my nail. That might have been, this might have been too much. I got too ambitious with my dot. Oh God, now it's rolling off. I'm gonna keep this in because I want to show you that I still mess up. I've been doing this for years. Another trick, if you get glue on your finger and it's still not coming off, just take the harsher grit of your nail filer and just like file it away, and it'll pretty much come right off. Okay, so we have our nails on. So this is how they look like. So this one I got glue on it, so I had to file it. That's why it's looking a little rough, literally. So now you just want to take your nail filer again, and you see how there's like that little bit right here on some of them. You just want to gently file that away. And you could obviously, like, if you want to, you know, file them to be shorter, because these are long. That's why I showed you guys these, because I will show you in comparison. They are, I feel like these are a really good length, and even if you wanted to shorten them, I know it's clear, but see the difference? And even if you want to shorten these, it wouldn't take as long. But I felt like getting really long nails, so yeah, so once you file that little bit and file them to how you want, it is time to get your nail polish. Okay, so here are my favorite nail polishes and top coats. We have the oily one because this is super pigmented. Then we have the Wet n Wild one because they have a million colors in these, not like the other bottle. Two, I'll show you. The brush is so perfect. If it's perfectly on like the nail bed, like, I don't know, I just love it. Like, I love how wide it is, doesn't leave streaks. And these are like $2 or $3, and they have beautiful colors. Then we have this. You guys probably never heard of this. So these are called Anise Pro Gel nail polishes. They're not gel, they're just like super shiny, so it looks like gel, and they last so long. Even I've put them on my natural nail before. They take like about a week and a half before they start chipping, or like a week, depends on, like, you know, how rough you are with your hands. But you guys, this top coat, I am so obsessed with it. I'm not too crazy about like the brush, but the quality of these polishes are amazing. They are from DSW, which is like a shoe store. I know, so random. And they're like 2 for $6. I know, but yeah, because I used to work there, so that's how I like found these. And I'm gonna put the colors of everything in the description so you guys know what it is. Yeah, and then we have this I just picked up yesterday. I never used. It's a top coat. It was $4 from LA Girl. I went to Rite Aid to get a Wet n Wild top coat. like the ones that look like this, like in this bottle and brush. I couldn't find them. It's like basically the same brush that I like. So we're gonna test this out, and it's also supposed to be gel like. So, okay, so I was actually gonna do this one, but because it's like more summer color, but I don't know why, like I missed this color. This is the Wet n Wild nail polish in Private Viewing. I just put it on my thumb because I was gonna test them all out, and I was like, you know what, I'll just do this color. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and paint my nails with Wet n Wild in Private Viewing. Okay guys, so this is my nails with 2 coats on, all done. We're just gonna wait for it to dry, do my other hand, then I'll show you how they look with the LA Girl top coat. Go ahead and start applying this LA Girl top coat. By the way, isn't like LA Girl a Dollar Tree? I got this from Rite Aid for like $3 or $4. So what I like about the Anise top coat is how fast it dries. Okay guys, so this is it with the LA Girl top coat. This is how they look, you guys. I kept nicking them like on the sides because they're so long that they just kept hitting each other. So they're still not 100% dry, but this is how they look.